Coming up on the drone update, how to win your share of $2.5 million with a big drone idea. The Russians are getting crazy with their counter drone technology. Police in Ohio used a Mavic to save a woman. And Google is jumping into the drone delivery market. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. I am here on the future grounds of Aerial Influence. We're opening our 15-acre research and training facility right here in Elburn, Illinois on May the 4th. We hope you'll come by and check it out. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this. 15 acres, all of it for you to learn how to use your drone for your business, make yourself more money, make yourself more competitive. There's a lot to get into, so we hope you'll stop by on May the 4th. But today, let's get into today's drone update. Drones are a hot button issue these days. Some people see the benefits of the technology, other people are terrified of it. One reason for the latter is the idea of rogue drones doing bad things like shutting down airports. The main question is, how do you deal with this problem without endangering the public? Well, the United Kingdom Ministry of Defense is bound and determined to find out. They launched a contest looking for counter drone technology, and if your idea is chosen, you can win a share of $2.5 million. If you're interested, go to gov.uk. Speaking of counter drone technology, a Russian defense contractor has come up with a drone designed to shoot other drones out of the air with a 12-gauge shotgun. That's right, with a 12-gauge shotgun.
Есть! Беспилотник поражен.
Okay, I have no idea what that guy just said, but I'm gonna be honest, I just had a flashback to every 1980s movie that was made that involved the Russians, and I'm terrified. From drones doing potential bad to drones doing absolute good. The police in Xenia, Ohio used a DJI Mavic 2 Dual to save a 90-year-old woman who is suffering from dementia. We appreciate our public servants who are putting their lives on the line, and they are using this technology to help save other people's lives. Thank you guys. Kudos to you all there in Xenia, Ohio. We appreciate everything you do. Next up, people talking about drone delivery has been all the rage for the past few years, but there's been very little in terms of action that companies have taken. UPS announced a few weeks ago they were doing something, and now Google is in the game as well. A startup company called Wing, which is owned by Google, is launching a drone delivery service in Australia that will serve around 100 homes in North Canberra. Customers can order everything from smartphones to over-the-counter medications. Let us know what you think. Are you into drone delivery? I know everybody's got an opinion on this. I think that it's gonna have a lot of great uses in the future. We just have to be careful because the last thing we want is a traffic jam in the sky. So let us know what you think. And finally, DJI is requesting that all drone professionals weigh in on the proposed new FAA rules. You can submit your comments on the proposed new rules to allow professionals to routinely fly drones at night over people and beyond visual line of sight. So head to the FAA.gov, submit your comments. The deadline is Monday, April 15th. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. We are coming at you a couple times a week with more drone news. We do drone experiments, all sorts of fun stuff. We want you to keep coming back. And we want to make sure that if you're in the Chicagoland area, if you live in this area, if you're visiting around May the 4th, you come by and check out our new store. May the 4th, grand opening, 15 acres for you to come fly, 15 acres for you to come learn about drones, and you can even buy a drone here. We hope you will come check it out, guys. We have been working so hard to bring this to you, and we are ready to unveil it on May the 4th. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.